Hello, in this video I will convert JavaScript website into Angular app. This is JavaScript application I downloaded from internet and I will show you later. This website has animations and sliders, navigation menus, drop down menu, and in drop down menu we have a 3 page. I downloaded this template from this website. So I downloaded this one. When you click on it, it will show two options, free download and live preview. I have extracted the zip file in this folder. In a web, you will see the different file of this website, HTML file, CSS file, and JavaScript file. Now I will create Angular project, ng new and project name. This command will create a new Angular project. Strict type, no. Yes, we will add routing and I will use SAS. So I will select SCSS. Project has created. This is Angular project and this is JavaScript project. From JavaScript project, I will copy images CSS file in JavaScript library file and will paste in a Angular project. I will paste this file in a asset folder of Angular project. Angular project in a VS Code in a style.ss file. I will import all the CSS file of a JavaScript project which I pasted in a asset folder of Angular project. Import /src/asset and /css. One by one, I will import all the CSS file. We are using SAS in this project, so I will change the extension of CSS files and I will use extension SCSS. Now I will import JavaScript library file in angular.json file. In a script array, I will import JavaScript library file. I will not include script.js file because this file handle the events like click events, hover events, and we will use the code of this file into Angular because Angular has a different syntax to handle our events. JS website has a multiple page, so we will create a multiple components in our Angular. First, I will create a folder named components, and in this folder, I will create landing page ng gc. Ng is a Angular CLI keyword, G for generate, and C for component. Landing is a component name, and we will create article page and privacy page and term page, header and footer. First, we will create header And now we will create footer in app component. Remove all the thing except router outlet. Now I will add header and footer component in a app component, and I will copy selector and I will paste here. I have added header and footer selected in app component. I opened JavaScript project in a VS Code. First I will copy header and then footer. This is a header and I will copy this and will paste in a header component. Do not copy script tag. So this is the footer. Paste in a footer component. In a footer, we have one button back to top, and I will copy this function name and create a function in a TS file. Later we will add a functionality. Now I will copy body of this landing page and I will paste this content in a landing page. Now we will try to run this project and we will get errors. First error, aos.min.js file doesn't exist, and we will verify. So it's aos.js, not aos.min.js. From angular.json, we will remove min from file name. Now again run npm run start. So this time we got error aos.min.css doesn't exist, and there is a typo in a name and it should be .scss, not css. So we got path error and remove the double dot from path, and it should be slash assets slash images slash picture name. Then you remove the single dot and double dot, and this error will be fixed. Now I will add routes, path, and component name. Angular application is running on localhost 4200. You cannot see images right now because they are depend on animations. So first we have to configure animations. But first we will fix header issue. So when you scroll down, header color change, here you can see, but this thing is not working on Angular application. In a JavaScript project, in a script.js file, and you can see the logic. When scroll top is greater than 30, they add a class. When scroll top is less than 30, they remove the class. We will convert this thing into Angular, and I already created a video on a sticky header. You can see my video in app component. I will add ng on it. To get scroll event, we will use from event from RxJS. I covered this thing in a sticky header video, and I will copy the logic from script.js file. And first we will import the missing libraries. And from script.js file, copy this line. Now we will test this thing. And if I scroll down, and you can see the header, so this thing has fixed. And we are using document object directly, but we should inject this document in Angular and then use. And this is the way to inject document object in Angular. Now we will test again. So you can see this thing is working. Now we will fix this animation in a script.js file. Copy this aos.init and paste in a app component in ng on it. And you have to import this AOS. AOS is a JavaScript library, and we can get reference like this. This is outside of ng on it, and we have to move in a ng on it. So error has gone. Now we will test this thing. So animations is working now. Now we will add drop down functionality. They show drop down on mouse over event, and they hide drop down on mouse leave event. I will add mouse leave and mouse over event here. Drop down is working now. Now we will add router link for navigation. Page navigation is working now. Now we will copy HTML from JavaScript project. Now we will see one by one UI of these pages working. Privacy page is working now. Article page UI is also working. Term page link is not working. In app routing, we are using term. In a header, in a router link, we use terms. So I removed the S. It's working now. Now we will fix mobile UI issue. If I click on hamburger, it's not showing the menu bar. To fix hamburger click issue, copy this line from script.js file. Here I will create a function, navbar click. I will paste here that line. In a header HTML file, I will add a click event on this button. Hamburger is working now. Now I will fix swiper issue. From script.js file, copy this code, paste in a landing page, in ng on it. We have to get reference from JavaScript library. You can see it start working. Last thing that we will fix, scroll to top button issue. This button get visible when scroll top greater than 20 pixel. This button get disappear when scroll top less than 20 pixel. Paste in app component in ng on it and copy this line, and we can combine this logic with header. So you can see this button is visible now. We have to add event. When user click on it, it will scroll to top. Copy this line and paste in a footer. Here in HTML file, this JavaScript event will not work. We have to add Angular click event, this one. This is working now. Thank you.